Hello there! Welcome to the new video guide for Coop.co. Today, I will show you how to download TikTok hashtag challenges. TikTok is one of the largest social media channels globally. The most popular thing to do on the app is to follow hashtag trends that larger creators and brands start, and that usually has to do with dancing or utilizing popular audio to act out a trend. If you are looking to grow your following on TikTok, hashtag trends are one of the best ways to do it. And if you want to download videos from particular hashtag challenge, here is the easiest way to do it. First of all, go to Coop.co and get Coop Clips to your computer. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Launch the application and enter the hashtag of a challenge that you would like to download. After that, click Download button. All the clips tagged with this hashtag will start downloading to your computer automatically. To access the videos, just hover the cursor over the thumbnail video and click three dots. Then click Show in Folder. Downloading hashtag challenges is easy to do with Coop Clips. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye!